Hey guys, what's up? So there's not gonna be an intro to this video because we've done this video so many times. We've done it 3 times already. But we're kicking off a new series. I am kicking off a new series on the gaming channel. We don't know the name, but I think we're gonna go with either Adventurous Brittany or Adventurous Sally. Sally or Stupid Sally. I like Stupid Sally, so let's just get on with it. So basically, I'm gonna be wearing this. Or maybe I'll wear different colors each time we do the series because maybe Sally dyed her hair or something. But we're going to start off with the first episode with pink hair. So let's get started.
The pink hair?
Hello, my name is Sally, and I am new.
Hi, Sally.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I am new on this video thingy. I think it's called Wacky Tube. You know, because I have wacky hair. But we're gonna get started on the first video. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is doing some tag. Let's do this. Okay, so have you always wondered what life is about? Ooh. What's this button do?
That's for the tree.
It didn't turn off.
It's on now.
It didn't turn off. The
It's
tree's
on.
right there.
It's on.
But the tree is right there. It didn't turn off.
No, the other tree, Sally.
By the way, who are you?
Amina or Jojo?
Uh-oh. Did I make an uh-oh?
Yes, you did.
Hey, Jones, what's up?
Sally.
Why is my tree on the floor?
Sally dropped your stupid tree on the ground.
Sally? Who's this Sally person?
The stupid one. The stupid one.
I mean, she moved it, too, because I didn't have it over here.
Yeah, Sally just was turning the lights off, and I was like, Sally, the tree is right there.
Forget it. Right now, I'm not worried about it. What's this? What is this thing? This is a button, so if I push it, I go kaboom, like I explode, because I do want to die.
Sally. Ew, Sally.
What does this thing do then? Because I didn't really die, and I told you I wanted to die. Do you know the definition of die means? Because I'm pretty dumb. What does this thing do?
The lamp.
I want to go touch it.
Go ahead. Be careful, Sally.
Oh, Sally. Spider.
There was a fake spider.
What do you mean? It was a fake spider.
I don't know what I'm doing.
that's Chase's vacuum cleaner. What happened?
He has a thing.
Oh. Be careful.
What's that?
Why was it was your bubbles? Do I know you?
Are you mocking me?
Are you mocking me?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from a place called Christmas Tree Island.
I'm from Paper Island.
Where's that at?
Park here. That's scissors for cutting paper. That's not paper. That's not paper. That's your shirt.
This is my hair, you dummy.
Oh, sorry. That's your hair. That's paper right there. No. Blank sheet of paper. Oh.
Yes?
Yes.
Ugly person? Is this what I do?
Yes.
Then what?
Just cut it in pieces. Oh, God. And I have a boyfriend.
What's that?
My boyfriend's name is Don't Eat the Paper.
Your boyfriends don't eat the paper?
No, I said don't eat the paper. Oh, God. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Oh, God. Thanks a lot, Sally.
Well, you told me to spit it out, you stupid idiot.
Yeah, Sally, I got a boyfriend named Webster.
Okay. Who's this Chase person you keep talking about, though? Did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
What was that?
It's the burp.
Who is that dog that's on Chase's? What was that?
It's your burp.
What's a burp? What's this?
When you drink soda, and you have a burp coming in your mouth.
Who is this? I mean, it's a dog, but who is it?
That's Remy.
Well, why does he have this person in a picture of their dog? Did he die?
No. But Chase's, Reese is gone bye-bye. That's Reese.
I like this.
He went bye-bye. She went bye-byes. Reese went bye-byes.
What do you mean? She went kaboom.
That's Chase the Paw Patrol.
So if you go over here, there's another one. I think.
Yeah. Where are you going, Sally?
Who's this? Who is this? Who is this? He's another
That's
doggy.
Bentley.
What kind of dog is he? What kind of dog is Tommy?
A pit bull.
Wait, I just said who's Tommy? Who is Tommy?
My dog.
Can I see him? I want to shoot him.
Sally.
Can I see him?
Wait.
Who is that?
This is my dog, Sally.
She's ugly.
It's not a she, it's a he.
She is terrible looking. Just like you.
Shut up.
Huh.
Okay, I'm done now. Bye. No!
Sally, give me a kiss.
Give her a kiss. No, not me. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.
Hello.
Chase?
I just cut my hair.
Bye, Tom. Meet your nasty self. Oh, Sally.
Sally, you do that. But Mom, I'm recording a video on Wacky Tube. 'Cause I'm wacky. I'm wacky. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the episode here. Hope you guys liked this series. It was pretty cool for us to both make, and we plan on making more. Just comment down below what other crazy things you want me to do. Sally to do. And we are doing this called Sally's Wacky Tube. So, anyways, everything I said, like, most of the things, like I said, I want to kill Tommy. I don't. It's Sally talk. And
yeah.
Sally's not a real person, just like Miranda sings. So she says all these stupid things. I kind of want to do like a series about it and just make people laugh. So I don't want to kill Tommy. Tommy is an amazing dog. I don't think Amina's ugly. She's actually an amazing person. And everything I did say was fake. But anyways, like I said, we're going to end the episode here. Because, like, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. We'll see you guys later on the next adventure of